Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
I am James. I am James. I am James. I live here. I live here. I live here.
It rains today.
It rains today. It rains today. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Hello. Hello. Hello.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
I buy this. I buy this. I buy this. I pay cash. I pay cash. I pay cash. Do you take this coupon? Do you take this coupon? Do you take this coupon? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. See you later. See you later. See you later. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How is work? How is work? How is work? I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. I have a question. I have a question. I have a question. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? I bring lunch. I bring lunch. I bring lunch. Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? Let us start. Let us start. Let us start. I am lost. I am lost. I am lost. Where is this street? Where is this street? Where is this street? Is this the right bus? Is this the right bus? Is this the right bus? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Can you write it? Can you write it? Can you write it? I wait here. I wait here. I wait here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I need to go. I need to go. I need to go. Goodbye. 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 See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. This is for you. This is for you. This is for you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I take the bus. I take the bus. I take the bus. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I text you later. I text you later. I text you later. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.